Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa S of By Vanessa S. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. So, okay, look, the new venture machine that Cricut released is awesome. If you want to see more and know more, check out my other video. I did a whole video on the release, but today is about the mystery box, and I just happened to pick up one. Now, Cricut has been re-releasing and releasing new mystery boxes a lot lately. It's been a couple of months and they've just been putting them out there and putting them out there, and they always sell out. However, I was able to capture this goodie, and this one is the pink disco mystery box. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. Now remember, when I'm reviewing a mystery box, I'm looking to see whether the box is, one, of value, two, whether or not I can use or learn the item from the items in the box. Is just something I can do, and whether or not it is just overall a good box. So these are the things we're looking for. So let's get into this pink disco mystery box. Whew, okay, well, let's get started. I don't know where I want to start, so I'll start with what's on top first. Okay, we have ceramic coaster blanks. Ceramic coaster blanks, 4 of them. It's a pack of ceramic coaster blanks for sublimation. So you can use this with the infusible ink, or you can use it with the infusible paper. Yep. Okay, ceramic coaster blanks, 4 of them. We have Strong Burn Everyday Iron On. And what color is this? Tea Party. Tea Party. Let's see. Okay, you're right here. Tea Party. It's a Tea Party pink. Okay. We have Metallic Iron On Mosaic Sampler. This is a sampler. Metallic Iron On Mosaic Sampler. And it looks like it has silver and gold in here. Okay. And this is also a strong bond, which means it's permanent. Metallic Iron On Mosaic. Okay. We have Iron On Heat Transfer. Oh, another glow in the dark. Remember, I got one of these, the last box of glow in the dark. Okay, so this is a glow in the dark. I haven't tried it yet. I have to make something so that I can try it. And of course, I'll make a video. Then we have permanent vinyl. No, this is premium vinyl. Premium vinyl silver. And this is permanent. So it's permanent premium vinyl silver. All right. Okay. We have permanent glossy premium vinyl holographic threads party pink. Ooh. I have to say I really like this one. I'm working on a tumbler. I think this would be great with. This is beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And, wow. Okay. We have Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets. And this pattern is Rainbow Cheetah. Rainbow Cheetah. It's 2 12 by 12 sheets. Rainbow Cheetah. And it's an Infusible Ink Sheets. I like that. I have not used their Infusible Ink Sheets yet. And to be honest, this is the one that I was actually looking at because I do like the cheetah pattern. So I'm actually excited about this one. I can't wait to see what I make. Just like you have to see what I make. Okay, and we have cardstock sampler. I think this cardstock has white, black, beige, and gray. So it's a cardstock sampler. White, black, beige, and gray. It's 24 sheets. Okay, and for the finale, let's see. You know what's next, right? I can't wait to see. I don't know how I started becoming a little lover of these little things, but I am hooked. There she is. She's pink. Aw, look at her. She's pink. You see her? Okay, so let's recap. We have her, the Cricut Cutie, and she's pink. She's True Pink. Her name is True Pink, okay? We have cardstock sampler, 24 sheets. We have Fusible Ink Sheets, transfer sheets, and they are the Rainbow Cheetah, okay? We have premium vinyl, silver. My favorite right now is the Party Pink. We have the Tea Party Sampler in the Everyday Iron On. It is a pink party, isn't it? We have the mosaics. You know, I have not used mosaics, so this is also going to be something that I have to really visualize. And then, of course, this, the iron-on, right? It's the iron-on, and it is glow in the dark. And we have the Cricut coasters, the sublimation coasters. Okay, well, here's the question. Is it a good box? I think so. I like it. I really do like it. I think there's, and it was titled correctly. There's a pink disco party. It's a pink disco party. I like the variety. Is it, you know, can I use it? Absolutely. I can absolutely use it because there is such a variety. I can see me using this first. Matter of fact, when I say first, I'm saying as quick as this weekend. But yes, is it a good box? Yes, it is a good box. Is it worth the money? Is the value there for it? I would say it is. It's such a variety in here between the transfer sheets, the Infusible Ink transfer sheets, and then the glow in the dark holographic vinyl and the coasters, and then yeah, I think it is. I think there is some value here. And is it innovative? Yes, it is, because there's so much I can do with this box. Some things I have done before, some crafts I've done before, but then I can see delving into some others that I have not. And so, yeah, so is it worth it? I give this a box on a scale of 1 to 10. This is going to be an 8. This is an 8 box. And then the cardstock. That's the other thing. Cardstock. Think about it. A sampler of cardstock, 12 sheets of black, white, beige, and gray. Those are the basic colors. So yes, I do think this is a good box, and I'm giving it an 8. Remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and definitely ring the bell so you'll be notified of new videos as they release.